Dr. Chris Arnold here from Live Well Chiropractic. I want to show you something that in 60 seconds can transform your health in your life. And I'm being serious, especially the people who have a lot of headaches, a lot of neck pain, especially down across the top of the shoulders, and even numbness in the hands. This can be a game changer for you. Again, who can't afford 60 seconds to get healthy and well? What we want to first of all start off is understand what is the cause of a lot of the problems with their headache, neck, and also, again, tension down into the hands. It has to do with what we do on a regular daily basis. We're all a computer world now, so we're all spent time hunched over a computer, hunched over a phone, like probably what you're watching this now. And even if you're working in front of you, whether you're a welder or a baker or making a meal in the evening, we're all hunched over. Even we're sitting in chairs and stuff, all of a sudden we want to hunch over, the head goes forward, shoulders go forward, and we do this day in and day out, and all of a sudden we feel this strain in the back of your neck, and then one day you wake up and you got that big hump on the back of the neck, and you're like, where the heck did that come from? It has to do with everything moving forward. We know our bodies are designed to be standing upright, shoulders and neck all in alignment. When that happens, it takes a lot of stress and strain off the back of that neck, but if everything's drifted forward, you're into problems. So how do we get you from being here and looking 90 years old to being healthy and vibrant the way your body is designed? Is actually retrain your body. We can do that in literally as little as 60 seconds a day. So let me show you what you need to do. Find a flat surface. It could be your bed, living room floor, something you can kind of stretch out on. What you want to do is lay face down and put your hands above your head, all right? Just like this. We actually call it the Superman. Looks like you're flying, right? You're going to put your nose down and pull it straight back up just like that, right? You never want to be looking at the wall, and pull it straight back up and try to lift your head and shoulders off the table. Again, what is that doing from the side? As you can see, that's going to pull and stretch and strengthen all those muscles of your neck and shoulder, and you're just going to want to stand naturally. You're not going to have to think about standing up because those muscles are going to be trained to be always pulling back. But here's the catch. The catch is you have to do this on a regular basis. Don't expect to do this once or twice and it's going to overcome 20, 30 years of stress and strain and hours every day facing forward, right? What you have to do is do this on a regular basis, just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower or anything you do for regular hygiene. We talk about this as actually spinal and nervous system hygiene. If you just do this, again, do 10 sets of 6 seconds and just keep holding it back for 6 seconds and then do it for another 6 seconds, do it 10 times, 60 seconds a day. Very easy, very simple, very quick to do. Within 2 weeks, I guarantee you're going to notice a huge difference. Shoulders are going to feel more relaxed. Your neck is going to be in a much better position. Posture headaches are usually going to dissipate. Even the numbness in your hands are going to start to come or dissipate and go away. You're going to get feeling back in your hands. So again, something very simple, something very easy, something we teach all of our patients to do. So hopefully you get some benefit from this. And if you also want further information, please contact our office. We would love to help and serve you.